I'd like to invite up a dear friend. Many of you know him, Avatar Leela Das. My goal is to make the color of his cheeks the same color as the color of his cloth. I keep trying. So, we were going to turn the lights off for this next piece. Is that happening? So, you always wonder, what the heck is this thing for? Now you know it's for this next song. Can we take the lights down? It's coming. So, we're going to do something together. Please pull out your phones. So, we're going to sing something called Shikshastakam. Just, how many verses? Okay, we're just going to do the first 3 verses of Shikshastakam. Shiksha, instruction. Ashtakam is 8 verses by Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. We need everyone. Come on, let's all, yeah. We want to turn this into the country of the nation of illumination. Srikala is rubbing off on me. Everything I say for the rest of the night must be done in poetry. All right. Here's the chorus we sing together. And you can move your lights in rhythm, and please shine them on each other. Please enjoy this little Leela of 1,000 moons. You know, sometimes when you're a traveling musician, you think, you know, I really want to be a star. Lord, I just want to be a star. One of my friends told me, if Krishna is the moon, then we can all be stars. Let's sing together. Oh, Param Vijayate Shri Krishna Sankirtana. Bhava Mahadavani Nirvapana Shreya Kairava Chandrika Vitarana. Oh, Patipadam Purnamita Param Vijaya Shri Krishna Sankirtana. Param Vijaya Shri Krishna Sankirtana. One voice. Shri Krishna Sankirtana.
Lord Krishna descends into this world time and again to help the lost, forgotten souls to reclaim their true potential. As humans with the most evolved consciousness, our real attribute lies in reawakening our deepest potential, that is to love. That's what the world needs. That's the greatest scarcity in this world. To have individuals who have capacity to love. And this capacity is obscured, as Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in his quintessence teachings in the Shastra is explaining, which takes the journey of a soul from a seeker to a perfectionist. He is explaining that how the truest potential to love is covered over by impressions of millions and millions of lifetimes in this world, by selfish passions, by desires, by egoism. And because the heart is covered with all this thick layer of dust, we don't see this potential to love. And by chanting of the holy names of Krishna, Krishna is ensuring Shanvatam Swakatha Krishna Punya Shravana Kirtana Hridayantasto Yabhadrani Vidhanoti Suvatsatam. When we sincerely, with a devoted heart, keeping aside our egos, pride and arrogance, when we sincerely take shelter of Krishna's holy names, that Krishna out of his causeless grace descends into our heart and cleanses the heart of all these selfish, egoistic proclivities. And when these proclivities are removed, all that remains is love. And when we reawaken this propensity, this ability to love Krishna, we become lovable to the whole world. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is glorifying this process of chanting Hare Krishna, which has the ability to cleanse this heart, purge all kind of impurities, shower the grace, illumine this heart with knowledge, and make us wholesome beings who are not just selfish enjoyers, but selfless servants of the Lord and the society. This is all we need. Pure, unadulterated love and the ability to reciprocate this love with everyone we meet and touch their hearts. All glories to the chanting of Krishna's holy names.
Nam Nam Kari Bahuda Nija Sarva Shakti Tatra Pita Niyamita Smarane Nagara Etadrishi Tava Kripa Bhagavan Durdaivam Nidrishamiha Janana. 4 times with one voice. Param Vijayate. Param
Sri Krishna Sankirtana. Shri Krishna Sankirtana.
Gaurang, Gaurang, Gaurang,
Shri Krishna Sankirtana.
Harina Eva Keva Param Vijayate.
Shri Krishna Sankirtana. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, appearing in the role of a devotee, is Lord Krishna himself, taking the mood of Srimati Radharani, who is the topmost pinnacle of bhakti, is coming down to this world to teach us our predicament. Krishna being all merciful, he has invested all his potencies in his name. There are multifarious names of Krishna, and there are no hard and fast rules in chanting those holy names. No one is barred because of their birth, caste, creed, nationality, color, ethnicity. Krishna is equally and mercifully accessible to one and all in the form of his names. But our situation is someone who has been bitten by the serpent of ignorance. In spite of such mercy being bestowed upon us, we find ourselves lacking taste in chanting Krishna's names. Mahaprabhu is saying that is Durdaivam. That is the greatest misfortune. We lose some wealth, we lose health, our relationships mistreat us, society misunderstands us. It's painful and unfortunate, but it's nothing in comparison to the misfortune that the living entity is experiencing by not being able to take shelter of Krishna's holy names. Mahaprabhu is saying, my dear Lord, in spite of you bestowing such mercy, I have no taste for chanting Krishna's names. And this honest acceptance of our disinterest in spiritual life is probably the first step towards Krishna. When you understand, I lack bhakti, I lack love for Krishna. And then in this spirit, our heart becomes a fertile ground where the seeds of bhakti can actually sprout. all glories to the chanting of the all-merciful Lord Sri Krishna's holy names.
Now the last verse that we'll chant today is considered to be the most precious of the 8. All bhaktas are encouraged to wear this next verse around our neck like the greatest jewel. Trinadapi suni chena taroriva sahishna amanina with one voice, with one heart. Param Vijayate Shri Krishna Sankirtana. Param Vijayate Shri Krishna
Once we become aware of our incompetence, inadequacy of taste in chanting Krishna's names, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is indicating the proper mood in which we can approach Krishna. Krishna is not cheap. He's the highest attainment. Great sages, rishis and yogis spend lifetimes after lifetimes in order to gain a dust of devotion to Sri Narayan's lotus feet. Krishna is akinchana gocharam. He can be perceived only with the heart which is replete with humility. And Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is imploring all of us to lead our life with the core of our hearts become more humbler than a blade of grass, more tolerant than a tree, ready to give all respect to others and expect none in return. It's not a matter of who is right and who is wrong. It's a matter of what do we really want in life. Do we want to just be proven right? Or do we actually claim this highest potential to love? And when we are focused on the right thing, it is not difficult to humble this heart, begging for grace. And Mahaprabhu is saying to someone who lives his life humbler than a blade of grass, more tolerant than a tree, ready to give all respect to others and expect none in return, it becomes possible to chant Krishna's holy names incessantly. Krishna gives himself to such a sincere soul who's willing to bend his own ego to attain this highest pedestal of Krishna's love. That's our greatest potential. Ego is the enemy which spoils relationships, which spoils our heart, which breaks our relationship with Krishna. And only way we can actually traverse back this path back to Krishna's lotus feet is to drench this heart with sincere humility and cry out in desperation like a child cries out for his mother, helplessly in total dependence. All glories, this beautiful chanting, the all-merciful Krishna's holy names.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Everyone, Hare Rama, Hare with your arms in the air. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, again. Hare Krishna, a little louder, a little louder. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, again, louder. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare
Hare Krishna,
Krishna, Hare Hare. Krishna Krishna just the voices. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama. Keep clapping your hands. Clap your hands.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Prabhupada, 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 Jaya Jaya Prabhupada. Jai Sachinandana Gaura Hare, Jai Sachinandana Gaura Hare. Golokera Premadhana, Harinama Sankirtana, Golokera Premadhana, Harinama Sankirtana. Gora Haribo, 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 Nitai Gora Haribo. Nitai Gora Haribo, 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 Haribo. Haribo. Nitai Gaura Haribo, 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 Nitai Gaura. Nitai Gaura Haribo, 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 Nitai Gaura Haribo. Nitai Gaura Haribo, 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 Haribo. Nitai Gaura Premanandi.
Gaur Premanande!
हरि बोल